Alrighty, this one right here is Dash. He's the aggressive, but he bites. That one is Darwin. He's the sweet one. This one, Dizzy. He's the fast but scared one. We call him Darwin, because I don't know, Darwin evolution or something. And then we call him Dizzy because I don't know, Dizzy Gillespie. And then we call him Dash because he's somewhat fast. Alright, so I'm gonna do first him sitting, eating. Alright, eating Darwin. Yeah, I like their cute little paws. Oh, he's aggressive. This is how they normally eat, I guess. Their food and water is right there. I was trying to do a video one at a time, but I guess it failed. So there you have it. Dash. They purr when they're happy or trying to mate. They love it when you feed them on time. So basically about every, maybe I would say, maybe when you wake up, give them food and water. And that's my video.